Students, today we see the chapter 3rd, Arithmetic Progression in Maths 1. In this chapter, we learn sequence, nth term of an AP, arithmetic progressions and the sum of the nth term of arithmetic progressions and applications on arithmetic progression. First, we see the sequence. What is the sequence? Sequence, there are some numbers which has a pattern. There is a order. We write a number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the natural numbers. The sequence is a set of numbers are arranged in a definite order like a natural number is called a sequence. सिक्वेन्स किंवा अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन्स हे काय तर एक पॅटर्न असतं. आपण एखादा पॅटर्न वगैरे बघतो, त्या पॅटर्नमुळे नक्षे वगैरे बघितले कशा आपला आनंद होतो, तसा गणितामधला हा आनंद ह्या मिळवण्यासाठी आपण अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन्समधले नंबर्स बघत असतो. त्यामध्ये पहिला पार्ट आहे तो म्हणजे सिक्वेन्स. व्हॉट इज द सिक्वेन्स? सिक्वेन्स इज द सेट ऑफ द नंबर आर अरेंज इन द डेफिनेट ऑर्डर like a natural numbers is called a sequence. For example, with the natural number is that example 1 2 3 4 dash 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 dash. Here the number we get increased by 1. Now second example we take 4 8 12 and 16 dash 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 dash. That means the number are increased by 4 first number, then 4 plus 4 8, then 8 plus 12, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. Next number we get 16 plus 4 20 and so on. In the second example 2 4 8 16 and 32 and so on. This is 32. If we had multiply 2 by 2, we get 4. That means 4 upon 2, we get the ratio is 2. Here we multiply 4 by 2, we get 8. 8 upon 4 is 2. We have to multiply 8 by 2, we get 16. We have to multiply 16 by 2, we get 32. Hence the ratio between two consecutive terms is the same. Then the next term we can find 32 into 2, which is a 64 and so on. Third type of the example 1 upon 5, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 15, 1 upon 20 dash 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 dash. The denominator is the number and the denominator has in definite order. They are increased by 5. Okay, hence we get the next number is 1 upon 25 and so on. This is called a sequence. Next, the terms in a sequence. Terms in a sequence. What is the terms? We get the first example 4 8 12 16 and so on. Here 4 is the first term, 8 is the second, 12 is the third, 16 is fourth and so on. The terms are written as T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on. Here T1 is equal to 4, T2 is equal to 12, T3 is equal, T2 is equal to 8, T3 is equal to 12, and so on. T3 is equal to 12 and so on. And the sequence is written as, in general, into curly bracket Gn. That means this is the sequence which is Tn is the sequence which has the term T1, T2, T3, T4 dash 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 G2, T3 and so on. Next term, last term we get Tn term. This is not a last term, we can increase the next terms also. This is the infinite series. This is sequence, infinite sequence, and that is called the terms of the sequence. There are terms, infinite terms in that sequence. And the sequence is denoted by Tn, in curly bracket Tn, that is the sequence. Let open the book. We have an activity number 1. We solve the activity in the book. Some sequence are given below. Show the position of the terms by T1, T2, T3 dash 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 dash. In first, 9, 15, 21, 27 dash 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 dash. Here T1 is equal to 9, T2 is equal to 15, and T3 is equal to 21 dash 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 dash. Next sequence is given 7, 7, 7, 7. Here T1 is 7. We get T2. Use pencil only to write the numbers. T2 is 7. T3 is also 7. Now third example, T1 is minus 2, T2 is minus 6, and T3 is minus 10, and so on. These are some activities given in the book. The second type of activity, the sum sequences are given below, and we have to fill the empty boxes. First sequence is given 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 dash 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 dash. Here the difference between two consecutive terms is 3. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, and so on. Now we fill up the boxes. 1 plus 3 we get 4, 4 plus 3 we get 7, 7 plus 3 we get 10, 10 plus 3 we get 13. The next number is 13 at here in this box. 13 here, 13 plus 3, 13 plus 3 we get 16, and so on. Now in the second, 6, 12, 18, 24 dash 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 dash. We increase the number by 6. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 24. We get 24 plus 6, that is 30. Here 30 plus 6, which is 36, and so on. Now at here in the third example, 3 3 3 3, we have to add 0 in each number. That is third one. 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 0 3 plus 0. At here we saw 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, and so on. In fourth, we have to multiply the 4 by 4, we get 16. Next number is 64. That means 16 into 4 is 64. Now we have to multiply 64 by 4. we get 256. 256 into 4, here 256 into 4 we get 1024 into here 1024 into 4 we get the next number. Solve this sequences. Now, what is the progression? There are three types of the progressions. First is AP, second is GP, and third is HP. These progressions are the sequences, but there are some conditions, then that sequences are called the progressions. In arithmetic progression, the first progression in AP, the difference between two consecutive terms is same. That means the first example 4, 8, 12, 16 dash dash dash, this is AP. Here the difference between two consecutive terms is 4 and hence it is called an AP. Okay, now what is the GP? In GP the ratio between two consecutive terms is same. At here in the second example we get 4 upon 2 is equal to 2, 8 upon 4 is also 2, 16 upon 8 is also 2, hence the ratio between two consecutive terms is the same, then it is called an GP. And the second example is a GP example. And what is third? HP. HP is the harmonic progressions where the numerator is 1 and the denominator is in a AP, then it is called a harmonic progression. The third example is the harmonic progressions, HP. That means the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 5, 10, 15, 20. That means we have to add difference between two consecutive terms is the same. That means difference is same, means that is the AP, the denominator is an AP, then it is a HP. That is third. Now in this here we see the AP, then first we see the AP arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progressions AP. We take the example 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Here the first term is T1 is 3 and the difference between two terms, that means that is called the D, difference D is the same, that is 6 minus 3 is 3. Here 9 minus 3 is also 3, 12 minus 9 is also 3, hence the difference is same, then it is called the arithmetic progressions. What is the definition of the arithmetic progression? In a sequence, if the difference between two consecutive terms is same, then it is called a arithmetic progressions. In a sequence, if the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then that sequence is called an arithmetic progression. What is the definition? In the sequence, the difference between two consecutive terms is same or constant, then that sequence is called arithmetic progression, that is AP. Then that sequence is called arithmetic progression. Now students, in AP, here let the first term is A, let the first term is A, and the difference, which is called common difference, is D. Then the first term T1 is A, T2 is T1 plus difference, that is D, that is A plus D. T3 is T2 plus D, that means A plus D plus D, we get A plus 2D, and so on. Hence our AP is, the first term is A, second term A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term we get A plus 3D, and so on. These are our an AP. First term A, second we add the common difference A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and dash 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 dash. Now we see some examples on this. In problem set 1, 3.1, the first sum is given. Which of the following sequence are AP, and if they are AP, find the common difference. That means we have to first find these sequences are AP or not, and if they are AP, then we have to find the common difference. That means we have to find D. Let we take the first example. A is equal to first example, that is exercise 3.1, 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash dash. Here the first term, that is T1, is given 2. Now we find the difference, that means T2 is 4, T3 is 6, and T4 is 8, and so on. We have to find D, the difference, common difference, that means T2 minus T1, which is 4 minus 2, which is 2. Next we find T3 minus T2 is also 6 minus 4 is also 2. Hence T4 minus T3, the difference between two consecutive terms, that is 8 minus 6 is also 2. Hence the difference is same. Hence the common difference is same. Hence this is an AP. This is an AP. And the common difference T is equal to 2. This is our final answer. Now we see another one example. The second example, which is 2 5 upon 7, 3 7 upon 2, and so on. Here T1 is given, T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5 upon 2, 5 upon 2, T3 is given 3, T4 is given 7 upon 2, and so on. Now the difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1, in these two terms, is 5 upon 2 minus 2. T2 is 5 upon 2, that means 5 upon 2 minus 2. Minus 2, that is denominator is not given, which is 1. By cross multiplication we get 5 into 1, 5, minus 2 into 2, 4, upon 2 into 1, that is 2. Hence 1 upon 2, that is the difference between two consecutive terms. Similarly, we find T3 minus T2 is equal to 3 minus 5 upon 2. Here denominator of 3 is not given, that is 1. By cross multiplication we get 3 into 2, which is 6, 5 into 1, which is 5, upon 1 into 2 is 2, 6 minus 5 upon 2, which has 1 upon 2. As the difference is the same. Now we get T4 minus T3. T4 is 7 upon 2 minus T3 is 3 upon 1. Hence 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 2 into 3, which is 6, upon 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Hence the difference is same, which is half, and hence this is an AP. The common difference is same. And hence this sequence is AP. This is an AP. And D, common difference, D is equal to 1 upon 2. That is our final answer. Okay. Let's see another examples on this. That is 0.3, 0.33, 0.333, and so on. Here T1 is equal to 0.3, T2 is equal to 0.33, T3 is equal to 0.333, and so on. We get first difference, T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.33 minus 0.3. 0.33, that is 2 decimal is given, and hence here also we get 2 decimals, that is 2, we take 0 at here, hence we get 2 decimals. Now 0.33 minus 0.30 is equal to 3, 3 get 0.03, hence this is equal to 0.03. Now T3 minus T2 is equal to 0.333 minus 0.33. Here also 3 decimals are given and here 2 decimals. Hence 0.333 minus 0.33, 1 decimal, that is we take 0. Now 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 0.0. Hence T3 minus T2 we get 0.003. Now the difference is not same. Here 0.03 and here 0.003. These two numbers are not same. Hence the common difference is not same. Is not same. That means this is not AP and AP. This is our final answer. This is not AP, therefore we cannot find the common difference. Now another type of the examples are given in book, which are if the first term A and the common difference D is given, we have to find the AP, write an AP. We see one example at here. We get third example. A is equal to minus 7 and D is equal to half. A is equal to minus 7 and D is equal to half. That is third example of 2. Here we have to write an AP. That means first term, which is A, T1 is equal to first term A, hence is equal to 7. Now T2 is equal to T1 plus D. That means minus 7 plus 1 upon 2. Here denominator get 1. 2 into 7, which is minus 14, plus 1 into 1, 1 upon 2. Into 1, 2. Hence which get minus 13 upon 2. Therefore the term is get minus 13 upon 2. Second term. Third term, T3 is equal to T2 plus D. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. Hence T2 is minus 13 upon 2 plus D is 1 upon 2. Here the denominator is same, that is 2. I have to add the numerator minus 13 plus 1, which is minus 12 upon 2. We get simplify at here. We get minus 6. That is the third term. Now we take the another fourth term also. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. T3 is minus 6 plus D is 1 upon 2. The denominator we get 1. Hence we get minus 12. 2 into 6 minus 12. 1 into 1 plus 1 upon 2 into 1 is 2. Hence we get minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11 upon 2. And hence our an AP is first term is minus 7, second term is minus 13 upon 2, third term is minus 6, fourth term is minus 11 upon 2, and so on. This is our an AP. That means if the first term and the common difference is given, we can find an AP. We see another one examples, that is 6th example. A is given 16, A is 19 and D is minus 4. A is equal to minus 19 and D is equal to minus 4. That is 6th problem. Therefore T1 is A, which is minus 19. T2 is equal to T1 plus D, that is minus 19 plus D is minus 4. That means we have to write in the bracket. Hence which get minus 19, minus plus get minus 4. 19 minus 4 is minus 23. T3 is equal to T2 plus D, and hence we get minus 23 plus minus 4, hence minus 23 minus 4, which is minus 27, and so on. And hence our NAP is minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, and so on. And third type of the example is given. The AP is given and we have to find the first term and the common difference. Here we take the second example and fourth example in this third question. In third question, we have to find the first term and the common difference of an AP. The AP is given 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, and so on. This is an AP is given, that means that the difference is the same which is given. Hence the first term, it is A is equal to 0.6, that is the first term. T1 is equal to A is equal to 0.6. Now the difference D is equal to, we take the difference between any two consecutive terms, we take the first two terms, that means 0.9 minus 0.6, hence we get 0.9 minus 0.6 is 0.3. Hence the first term is 0.6 and D is equal to 0.3, which is our answer. Now the fourth one is given, same as 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 4, and so on. The first term T1 is equal to A, that is 1 upon 4, that is the first term. Now D, difference, take any this is an AP is given, that means difference is the same, take the difference between any two consecutive terms. D is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4, which is equal to, the denominator is same, 4, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 4, hence by simplifying we get 1 upon 2. Hence the first term A is equal to 1 upon 4 and D is equal to 1 upon 2. That is our final answer. Now the next part of this chapter is nth term of an AP. We see that in next video.